In this episode, I, dis- I discuss demarcating two or more parts. In episode 19, we demarcated a part from a field adopting cross-staff survey method. In episode 28, we demarcated a part from a field by using quadratic. The method in episode 19 is easy but not accurate. The calculations in episode 28 are laborious, but the survey is accurate. If we are required to demarcate two or more parts using the method of cross-staff survey, episode 19, every part has to be surveyed individually, a laborious exercise. If we utilize quadratic, every part need to be surveyed individually. This is cross-staff survey method. For example, this part has the area of half an acre, and this is half an acre, this is half an acre, and this is half an acre. So, we demarcate the first part. We know how to demarcate this part. After that, we have to repeat the same process for this part also. A survey has to be done completely again, and for this part also survey has to be done completely again, and for this part also survey has to be done completely again. But if we use quadratic method, this angle is same for all these parts, and this angle is same for all these parts. So we calculate this part feeding half an acre, and we will get this length and this length. And if we feed 1 acre, we will get this length and this length. And if we feed 1.5 acre, we will get this length and this length. And if we feed 2 acres, we will get this length and this length. So, by measuring the lengths on this line, we demarcate all these parts without surveying the parts individually again. These calculations are somewhat very laborious, but if we have programmable calculator, the calculations will also be easy and the survey will also be easy. Here, quadratic method will prove to be more useful.